Evelyn, are you coming? Hi. Hi, girls. Oh, you're gonna take their picture too? Here, put it over here. Look, Evelyn's trying to crawl to it. Evelyn likes that. Are you taking her picture? Good job, Emily. Are they smiling for you?
Smile.
Hi, Evelyn.
Yeah, but still. Walk it, baby, walk it. Smile. Smile. Hold still. Oh, that's going on Elmo's wall. Smile. Looking good.
Hi, Evelyn.
Hi, Evelyn.
Hi, Elena.
You look
Hi. Are you posing for me? You're both posing for me? Oh, look at Evelyn go. She's coming to get you, Emily. Keep moving. Keep moving. Go, Evelyn. All right, she's coming to get you. Taking her picture. What's Elena doing? Elena, come over here. Hi. Come over here. Hi, Elena. Hi, Elena. Hi. Uh-oh, where's Evelyn going? Is she following you? Evelyn. What are you doing? Hi, Evelyn. Are you gonna crawl to me? Look at her moving.